The proposed system is designed for easily controlling the attractive, various movements of a mid-air CG character. The movements measured by the motion capture system are mapped to the character's motion. The neck movements are created by synchronizing the orientation of the operator's head. The arm movements are created by IK control based on the pose data of the puppet's palms. The leg movements are created by playing a predefined walking motion when the puppet moves. In the optical system, MMAP forms a mid-air image with light from a display, which shows the CG character. The display is moved vertically up and down to move the mid-air image in the depth direction. The operator can observe the viewer through the monitoring system to communicate with the viewer. To understand the depth position of the character, the operator views the character stereoscopically.